Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of LastPass, one of the most popular password managers out there. If you're tired of forgetting passwords or using the same one everywhere, stick around because we've got all the details you need. And don't forget, the link to LastPass is in the description below. So, what exactly is LastPass? In a nutshell, it's a password manager that securely stores your passwords, making it easier to log into your favorite websites without the hassle of remembering every single password. It also generates strong passwords for you, ensuring better security. Let's talk about some of the key features that LastPass offers. Password Vault. Your passwords are stored in a secure vault that's protected by a master password. Password generation LastPass can create complex passwords for you, making it easy to maintain security across all your accounts. Cross-platform compatibility. You can access LastPass on any device, desktop, mobile, or even through your web browser. Two-factor authentication. For added security, LastPass supports two-factor authentication, which is a must-have in today's digital landscape. Secure notes. You can store sensitive information like credit card details or personal notes safely within LastPass. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Setting up LastPass is quick and straightforward. Once you create your master password, you can start adding your accounts right away. The browser extension makes it even easier, as it can auto-fill your passwords and even save new ones as you go. Overall, the interface is intuitive and user-friendly. LastPass offers a free version, which is great for basic use. However, for advanced features like sharing passwords and enhanced security options, you might want to consider their premium plan. The pricing is competitive, making it a solid choice for both individuals and businesses. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, strong security features, and cross-platform access. Cons: some features are locked behind the premium version, and there have been recent security concerns. Make sure to research this for peace of mind. So, is LastPass worth it? If you're looking for a reliable password manager that offers robust features and ease of use, LastPass is definitely a strong contender. Just be sure to weigh the pros and cons and see if it fits your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and check out the link to LastPass in the description below. Stay secure out there and see you in the next video.